Hello and welcome to ICRA Technology. Let's continue our journey with our Salesforce Apex course. In this video, we are diving into one of the most important concepts of object-oriented programming in Apex, classes and objects. So a classes in Apex is like a blueprint or templates. It defines the properties like variable and behavior like method function that the object created from it will have. An object is a real instance of a class. Once we have created a class, you can create many objects from it. So let's go step by step with some real code examples. Let me copy this first. First we have to create a class. Paste the code here. Okay, we created a class called student. Inside it we have two properties, name and age. There is also a method called display info that's printed out the student's detail. Then we created an object as one using new student, and after that we set value to the name and age properties. So let me cut this. That is the execution part of the code. Let me cut this from here and save the class. Once it's saved, now we have to go anonymous window and paste the execution part. So we have to call the method. Now let's execute this to see the result. See, it's printed name Adnan, age 22. Let's go with another example. Okay, let me copy this. And have to create another class. Name is Ascar. Paste the code here. Okay, let me correct this. So here we have a class called car with two properties, brand and year. We also created a constructor. Constructor is a special method that run automatically when you created an object. The constructor take two parameters, brand and year, and assign them to the object properties. And Once it's saved, now go to anonymous window, paste the execution part. Here we created an object as one and passed data and 2022. Let's execute this. Debug only. Here is the result. Now let's go with another example. Have to create another class. Name is as calculator. Paste the code. So this is a simple class called calculator with one method add that's take two numbers and return their sum. We created a new object and call the add method with 10 and 20. Let me cut this from here and save the class. Once it's saved, now go back to anonymous window and paste the other part of the code. And let's execute. Debug only. So here is sum is 30. So this is how we can write custom logic inside method and reuse it whenever needed. And that's how you use classes and object in Apex to bring your code to life. They make your application organized, reusable, and truly object oriented. Here are some practical tasks to help you gain hands-on experience. And that's it with the classes and object. Thank you.